Excel recognizes that most of the time you are using, well, a lot of times you're using Excel to do budgets or forecasting or projections based on a time period, whether it be by month, whether it be by quarter, whether it be by year, whether it be over trends of time. So it's provided us a feature called the AutoFill, and you use what's called the fill handle. Just going to demonstrate some examples of how the AutoFill works. What you do is you select the cell that you want to complete the series. So I'm selecting here B3, which contains the word January. Your fill handle is the small black cross that you get place on the cell on the bottom right hand corner. And once you get your fill handle, you can click and you can hold it and drag it across, and as you can see, the more you go across, the more it will fill in that series. So it will fill in from January to December, and if you continue, it will go to start with the next month, January, and then continue down on the way. Now, it also works for abbreviation. So you see here in B5, I have just JAN. Again, if I get my fill handle and I copy that across, you can see that it will fill in the series based on a 3-letter abbreviation for the months. It works using quarter. You could spell the word quarter out or quarter one, or you can abbreviate it like I have here in B7. Again, using the fill handle, it will fill in the first 4 quarters, and then it'll fill in the next 4 quarters, and will continue. Knowing that quarter is in fourths, it will give you quarter 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use anything with the number 1. So let's say I want to do on year 1, this is what I'm planning to do. And then if you use your fill handle, it will just continue to go year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6, year 7, year 8, year 9, and as far as you fill it out. You can also use any terms. You can go employee 1, you could go item 1, you could do ID 1, and fill in the series. It will automatically fill it by increment it by 1. Now, let's say you want to actually do some forecasting every 10 years. So you have some data from 1990, and you have some data from 2000. You have data from 2010, and then you're going to forecast for the next couple 10 years. When you have increments of more than just 1, what you need to do is you need to select both cells and then use your fill handle to copy across. And it recognizes that's an increment of 10 and will continue to increment that series by 10. You can do it by 2s, 5s, but the key is to select both cells and then use your fill handle going across. I hope this helps explain some of the AutoFill features in Excel.